Hello everyone, this is Tea with Robbie, doing an unboxing of, what is this? A Sony camera. Looking to do a bit of an upgrade from my phone right here. What do you think? Let's do it. Okay, let the unboxing begin. First, we have to open this box. Okay, let's pause right there. And I'll be back with an opening device. Okay, we're back with an opening device. These are sometimes known as scissors, but today it's half scissors. Please use adult supervision. Oh. Always go away from you. Okay. The seal is now broken. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's definitely broken. Oh, it's like opening a soda can. Freshness. Wait, there we go. Okay, here we go. What do we have here? Sony Scene. Connect, learn, create. Okay. Mobile application. Documents. Let's put that to the side. We don't need that. Okay, let's take this out. Okay. So, what do we have here? We have, oh my gosh, we have a UK plug or a Japanese plug. That's not the one we need. Oh my god, actually, there's more. What's this? Is this American? What is this one? Is this European? It's mostly just full of cables you don't even need. We'll put that to the side. Maybe Zuko can play with that. This is what we're looking for. Oh, not even a shot. This is what we're looking for. This is what you call an Australian plug. No grounding on this one. Probably double insulated. Okay. And what do we have here? Okay. It looks like this is just for a USB charger. That's all it is. Just a standard USB charger thing. Okay. Little baby battery here. So if we see here, it's 7.3 watt hours, 1020 milliamp hours of battery life. This little sucker. I can't say how long it's going to last on this camera because I haven't done the math. Okay, we'll just say it's long enough. What's this? What is this? One day I'll get this out and I'll show you what it is. It looks like you put your eye on this. There you go, guys, you can see it yourself. Woo. And then it looks like we got a USB micro, is it? Maybe. And here we have the Sony Alpha strap. Sony Alpha. Okay. Cool. Okay, the main event. Okay, we just have the body, guys. Ooh, it's got some weight to it actually. It feels nice and strong. Oh, that feels really nice. Oh wow, you can see me in the reflection here. Hello. Hello. Okay, so you can see me. Here we go, this is great. See myself here, guys. How you going? Welcome. So it looks like you put the eyepiece on there to make it soft. It's got a nice grip here. It really feels like I've got good control of this camera. I haven't had, like, the only camera I've had before was like this little $200 Australian Nikon camera. This one has a mount, so it's got the zoom there. It looks like the lens cap, little baby lens cap. Looks like you got a lock here. There we go. There's a lens off. There's a sensor there. Let's get this back on before we get too much dust, so we don't get any dust in there. Heard a click, so that must mean it's in. Nice. Okay. Beautiful. And I think this pops up. Yeah, so this pops up. Like, I think, oh my god. I think so. You can do selfie. You can do a selfie. You can see yourself when you're filming. I maybe had a bit of trouble with that earlier. Maybe that's not exactly right, but that's the purpose, right? I'll start off really poor, and then we better later. And looks like just here we got the HDMI and the so I think that's the micro, and that might be mic in maybe. I know it does have a mic in. And I've got to see. So I've got the SD. I can get an SD card. I have one. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll get the battery in and then the SD card. So we'll be back. Okay guys, we got some power to it now. Charged for a little bit. I got the strap on while I was waiting to charge a bit. Now let's see what happens. Ooh. It's on. I got the lens cap. Take that off. And there we go. We got an image. Ooh, I have it on the quick shot mode, 11 shots per second. Let's test. No. Oh yeah. Hey Zico. What are you doing down there? Huh? Let's see if we can do some zoom here. You don't like that? Where is this? It's got electronic zoom here. And motor control. So for the flash on. Ooh, pop out flash. So look at that. So looks like the flash pops up once you click it and pop it back in. Okay. Oh, the flash did not look great, did it? It's like blinding his eyes. Let's do some action shots. That's what I really want to do. I haven't had a camera before that does good action shots, so I want to see with the 11 frames per second and the autofocus, because apparently this has pretty good autofocus. You can track things and shoot pretty quick. So let's test that out, because that is what I'm looking for. See if that closes up. Oh yeah, it does. Let's do this. Oh, I wonder if I just taking them. I think it's auto-focusing. I can see it auto-focusing all the time on him. Come on, do a big jump. Oh boy. Apparently it's taking 11 frames per second here, so I can try to get some good shots. Okay, let's have a little review of this. So guys, what I've done, I put it in a mode. So I think it's shutter mode. So it's really good for fast motion. So I've got a light here because it's obviously reducing the light coming in, which reduces the blur. But I think I've gotten some pretty good shots here, and I think it really shows off the autofocus. It was happening every shot that you could hear. It was autofocusing on Zuko as he was jumping, and it's given really some good clarity shots when he's jumping up and moving. So I don't really have to be that good. I just hold the button down and point and shoot. Bit of light. That's awesome. I'm very happy with a few of those shots I've taken. This is only the start. I'm just still learning. I'm sure I'll learn more and more, and I'll get better and better. You will see next video. I'll be using this camera. I'll be filming with this one. So have a look out for that when I do my next vlog using this camera. Until next time, guys. I'll catch you next video. See you later.